First, find a platform which is slightly above the ground. Take a wrench and unscrew the drain valve. Then connect a tube to the valve so you can release the fuel into a container. Here you find the handle for releasing the fuel. Turn the handle to the left. Make sure the fuel flows into a can. Unplug the cable of the fuel sensor. Unscrew the bolts around the cover. Take the cover off. In case you see debris inside the fuel tank, you need to empty it. We use an air pistol to suck up the rest of the fuel, but you can also use paper towels. Make sure that the tank is clean and put the cover back on. Don't forget the screws and the cable. Before you put the bolts back, please put anti-seize on them so they don't get stuck.